Welcome, history enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving deep into how you can use ChatGPT to uncover fascinating details about historical events and figures. Whether you're a student, researcher, or simply someone who loves exploring the past, ChatGPT can be a powerful ally in learning about pivotal moments and influential personalities from history. So let's jump into how ChatGPT can guide you through these incredible stories of the past. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for additional resources and tips to support your journey in historical exploration. Let's get started. Let's begin with a deep dive approach. Imagine wanting to know everything about a significant event, from the causes and background to the key players and outcomes. Well, ChatGPT can bring all these details together in one place, offering you a comprehensive view. Here's how you might prompt it for an in-depth overview of a particular event. So let's say through my prompt, I want to know more about the causes and consequences of the French Revolution. And I wanted to include key figures that are involved in major events as well. All right, so now that we've set up our prompt, ChatGPT will then take us through the roots of this historical upheaval, which could highlight what fueled the revolution and who played critical roles. It's like having a historian at your fingertips. It all depends on the results from ChatGPT once I send this off. Right about now. Alrighty, so here it is. As you can see, ChatGPT is currently generating. Starting with the causes. There we go. There are bullet points here. They're mainly highlighted for this event. There we go. Here are the following. And yeah, as you can see with this response as it currently generated here, also adding major consequences, now you get a structured summary that covers the core aspects of the French Revolution, from its early sparks to its dramatic conclusions. That also includes key figures as well. And as I stated, the major consequences here, see right here, and going up there, key events and figures, and going up to the causes and everything that were mentioned here. This can be a great way to quickly grasp the scope of major historical events. It's quite helpful to have ChatGPT summarize everything about the historical event itself. My apologies. Historical events. See? Next, let's focus on specific individuals. Now, ChatGPT can bring historical figures to life by providing in-depth biographies that explore not only just their achievements, but the personal struggles and societal challenges they faced. Now, let's see how to put together a prompt that explores the life and impact of a notable figure in science. So, for instance, my pick would be, so let's say I put together my prompt right over here. Mary Curie. Yeah, this is the one I thought in mind to mention and ask for ChatGPT. And I want ChatGPT to mention her achievements, personal struggles, and how she influenced in the field of science. Okay, so with this prompt, ChatGPT will delve into Marie Curie's groundbreaking contributions and the obstacles she overcame along the way. So you'll gain insights into her life story that go beyond just the milestones. So let's see. All right, as you'll see right here, here's an introduction, Marie Curie, where she was born. All right, there's the scientific achievements, personal struggles. Okay. And mostly on radioactive materials and such. And yeah, so isn't it amazing how detailed this response is? Though ChatGPT gives you a narrative that includes Curie's achievements right over here. This part. Oh, apologies. This part, I mean. There we go. Personal resilience. Right here, this section. And lastly, the lasting legacy that she left in the field of science. So, this approach is ideal for gaining a full understanding of any historical figure. Alright, now if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's take it a step further with comparative analysis. Okay, so ChatGPT can help you draw parallels between two historical figures or events, shedding light on the broader themes and contrasting approaches. This is especially useful when you're studying different leaders or movements side by side. So here's a prompt that compares two impactful leaders in social justice. So let's say I would ask ChatGPT there to compare and contrast, sorry about that, the leadership styles of Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. in their respective movements for social change. So, with this comparison, ChatGPT will try to outline the philosophies, tactics, and challenges each leader faced. So you'll see where their approaches align and where they differ, and that way it would provide a richer context to understand each movement. But it all depends on the results the ChatGPT would generate for us. Let's set this prompt. Alrighty. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT would put out here. Alright, common principles. Okay, they're contrasting leadership approaches. Okay. See each of the main topic here. This has Gandhis and has Kings. There we go. And yeah, it's quite quick. Yet ChatGPT in an instant would provide you the information. So this comparison gives us a nuanced perspective on how Gandhi and King with their methods would reflect their unique circumstances and cultural contexts, yet contributed to a shared vision of social change. See right here, let's scroll up. Nonviolence, moral leadership, grassroots mobilization. So each one right here, philosophical foundations, then goals and contexts, then style and tone of leadership, international impact. So yeah, using ChatGPT for comparisons like this can help you draw insightful connections across history, especially with historical figures like Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. See? And thanks for joining us on this historical exploration with ChatGPT. With tools like these, you can dive into events, biographies, and comparisons that enrich your understanding of the past. So remember to experiment with different prompts to uncover even more layers of history.